Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to present 50 unbelievable heavy equipment machines that are truly working at another level. These machines are the backbone of various industries, demonstrating exceptional power and efficiency. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the massive earth movers, designed to handle large-scale excavation and construction projects with ease. First up is the Komatsu D575A3SD dozer, the world's largest bulldozer. Its immense size and power make it ideal for major earth-moving tasks. We have the Bucyrus RH400 hydraulic excavator, known for its record-breaking capacity and efficiency in mining operations. And who can overlook the Terex MT6300AC dump truck, a behemoth capable of carrying enormous loads with impressive speed and reliability. Moving on to cranes and lifters, these machines are essential for lifting heavy loads and ensuring precision in construction and industrial projects. The Liebherr LTM11200-9.1 mobile crane is a marvel of engineering, capable of lifting the heaviest loads to great heights. Then there's the Mammoet PTC200DS ring crane, one of the most powerful cranes in the world, designed for complex lifting operations. Finally, the Zoomlion ZCC3200NP crawler crane, known for its incredible lifting capacity and versatility on various terrains. In agriculture, heavy equipment plays a crucial role in boosting productivity and making farming more efficient. Check out the New Holland CR10.90 combine harvester, known for its exceptional threshing and cleaning capabilities. Next, the Challenger MT875E tractor, a powerhouse designed for the toughest farming tasks with unmatched traction and power. And let's not forget the Krona Big X1180 forage harvester, one of the most powerful forage harvesters available, ensuring a high-quality harvest every time. Demolition work requires machines that can handle the toughest conditions and tasks with precision and power. Caterpillar 340F UHD demolition excavator is built for high-reach demolition projects, offering incredible stability and control. Then there's the Doosan DX235DM demolition excavator, designed for efficiency and versatility for various demolition scenarios. And finally, the Komatsu PC4000-11 hydraulic mining shovel, capable of handling heavy-duty demolition and material handling with ease. Specialty machines are designed to perform unique and challenging tasks, often in niche industries or environments. The Ditch Witch JT100 all-terrain directional drill is perfect for tough drilling tasks in challenging terrains. Next, the Caterpillar 6090FS hydraulic shovel, one of the largest and most powerful hydraulic shovels, designed for extreme mining operations. And lastly, the JCB4CX15 Super Backhoe Loader, a versatile machine capable of handling various tasks, from excavation to material handling. These 50 heavy equipment machines are working at another level, showcasing the incredible advancements in technology and engineering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.